Welcome, traders, to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Manley. I want to take a look at a few single stock names. We're going to have a look at Microsoft, Tesla, Apple, and we'll wrap things up with a look at gold. So, starting with Microsoft, we're targeting an equality objective versus this daily swing structure with the lows at 308 gives us 461 on the top side. Which broadly now will coincide with trend channel resistance here. We're in a corrective phase at the moment. There's a potential that we put in a three-wave corrective move here versus the swing high we have in play at 417. That would give us 393 on the downside. So any move into that 393 area, it's also projected monthly range support. Watching for bullish reversal patterns there to engage on the long side, or alternatively back through 417. Again, engage on the long side, looking for a move up. 434 will be the next upside objective. Then there's these prior highs at 420 act as support. We look for a further upside extension into our target zone at 461. At this stage, it's going to take a loss of trend channel support back through the pivotal 360, 365 area to suggest that a more meaningful high is in place. Then we look for a pullback into the high volume area on this daily profile at 330 as the next downside objective. Moving to Apple being under some significant pressure in recent trade. We are looking for a breach of these prior swing lows here in this corrective price action on the daily time frame. So 165. So if we can get a peak below that 165 into the value area low on the daily time frame, 163. Watch for bullish reversal patterns in that area. Want to engage on the long side, looking for a move through the corrective trend channel resistance 172s, and we'll target a move into our daily high volume node 177, and above there we have 180 as monthly projected range resistance. Moving to Tesla. Tesla looks poised to test its broader equality objective here versus our 265 swing high. We are looking for a 160 test here. Watch for bullish reversal patterns in this area to engage on the long side, looking for a move back into retest the midpoint of the corrective channel, 204. We also have monthly projected range resistance there, weekly projected range resistance at the $200 mark. Then pullbacks that find support into 177. We can then start to think about a retest of the top side of the current daily corrective channel that we are trading in. And last but not least, let's take a look at gold. Had a good breakout here in terms of gold. Been trading this on the long side through with my strategy group, and we have taken out the prior cycle highs, testing 2160s at the moment. So I'm looking for any move through that 2170 to target 2190s. That's the 127 extension of this last corrective phase. As pullbacks then find support back into the 235 to 40 area, we're going to look for an upside extension into 2250s. It's the next key upside test. And again, then as support comes in back through that 2190, we're ultimately looking for an extension up into our equality objective here on the daily time frame versus this swing structure we have in play, 1986 swing low, gives us a 2317, which is the 200% extension of this corrective level. So 2312 is going to be the key target on the upside. At this stage, we would need a close back through 2050 to suggest a false break to the upside, and then we would start to think about downside targets. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan, and most importantly, manage your risk. Until next time, thanks very much.